We're going to actually address one of the issues with the 350 today. It's been a long time. Now, we've not been able to drive it or move it out very much because of the thermostat. Well, we think it's the thermostat. Is actually sticking and not opening. So the car tends to overheat, doesn't it? Yeah. And obviously we've got the new fan for it, but we can't put the new fan in and make sure that works because we can't get up to temp because the thermostat's sticking. So, we've got a new misihimoto thermostat, a thermotwat, that opens at 68 degrees. So this should keep it a lot cooler as well. And we're hoping this is going to sort the issue of bleeding up. Obviously the reason we figured this out is because we could not bleed it up, could we? No. We've tried numerous times and it's always been a pain to actually bleed it up as well. So we're hoping this is going to sort the problem. Probably won't because it's us, nothing ever sorts it easy. But we'll see if it actually does. We're actually getting a bit of an opportunity now to work on our own stuff, which makes a change. It's because we've got this man here kind of being busy, but he's not busy, Kenny? Busy. He's always like this, he never fucking does anything. But at the same time, no, he's helping us out quite a bit. Obviously he's doing some training with us. If you haven't seen the FTO video, make sure you go and check that out. You'll see him in action a little bit. You're doing what, Joe? What's he doing?
You're fucking one of them.
Is a what? A knobhead.
Knobhead.
But the camera's on, it's quiet. It's quiet again. As soon as the camera goes on,
what?
Silent.
Camera shy.
You what?
Yeah? Camera shy.
You camera what?
Camera shy.
Okay. So we're going to go ahead, switch this thermostat, see what happens, and hopefully we can actually bleed it up and we can start putting some of the other stuff. We can actually finish the wide body because as you saw from that cinematic at the beginning, it's still not done. But we will get there eventually. We'll do bits and bobs as we are.
Yes, I know I'm crazy about you, crazy about you. I know I'm afraid sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tense. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Yeah, you cannot live it up with you.
Right, so that's all put in, the radiator. We decided to change that at the same time because it actually made it easier to get the thermostat out. Now the fan, yeah, I always keep calling it a radiator, every time.
And the thermostat.
And the thermostat. So we took the fan out to get the thermostat out because it was easier just to get your hand in there because it was so much thicker, but obviously you can see the difference now. There's plenty of room there. Pardon?
I'll be spelling that with CC.
What? Why did that door close?
I don't know, we're fully open.
Alright, so just going to bleed it up. Kennedy's going to watch the front. What are you laughing at? So, Jack, just leave my sunglasses alone. It's been so long. Please take them off. You look like E.T.
I'll take my hood down.
What is that? Wow. Wow. Okay, that might be a thumbnail.
Wow, what's wrong with me?
Actually, you look quite cool there.
Yeah?
Not gonna lie.
It's just a 350, it ruins the shot.
Hey?
The 350 ruins the shot.
Whoa!
Sorry, Kennedy ruins
Whoa! Kennedy ruins the shot. Fuck off.
it. You got some fluff growing on your roof though.
What do you mean I've got fluff growing on my roof?
Fluff growing on. You're not minded on the inside.
Where?
Here. You got some fluff.
Oh no.
Some fluff. It's been neglected.
Great. Yeah, it's because we haven't got time to actually do anything on it. Oh shit! Oh. Don't you laugh, Kennedy?
Was that pointed at me?
What? No, but that fucking hurt. If you're confused why the F-Toe's on the ramp, we kind of are doing 2 videos at the same time, but that'll be gone, so pretend it's not there. Right, you can start it now. So you're going to bleed it up and just see if this actually fixes the problem. Don't think it's going to do, unfortunately. My head hurts. I probably won't be right thought on that. You can stop laughing. I'll make you think it's cooler down here. So we're going to see what that does, and see if, and hopefully it bleeds up and it doesn't overheat. I do miss driving this car though. It's been way too long, way too long. You just feel it vibrate in your rib cage. Oh, it's great. I think we're going to get some different exhaust tips as well. If you reckon we should, comment down below with some that you think we should get. Obviously it's got to go in with theme as well, but hopefully this now we can actually start doing the rear of the car, putting the rear arches on and getting the new wheels as well. Yeah? What you got a screwdriver for? Oh, the bleed in my nipple. Whoa! No! You're not hear that over the car. Jack, leave Kennedy alone. Alright, so I'm going to go under here, not hit my head, but we'll bleed it up and get back to you, and hopefully this has actually sorted the issue. Well, that's been bled up now, and that seems to have actually sorted the issue. The fan kicks in as well, which is great. It actually makes a change to be able to drive it. So Jack's going to just take it out into the car park and drive it up and down and make sure it don't overheat. It overheated pretty damn quick last time, didn't it? We got down to the end of the car park and back, and I had to turn it off. Jack, what are you doing? Alright, so he's going to take it out now, and we'll see exactly what happens. To be fair, it's been on for a while bleeding, so it should be alright. Come on, Jackie boy.
I'm going to put glasses on.
Please don't. I do have one question though. How are we going to get out there when the wide arches are on the back?
Very difficult.
It's actually clean for once.
What am I doing?
Just see if it has finished having its moments. So we're also having a few issues with the power steering leaking as well. Again, I think it's the pipes we put on that cooler, but we're going to have a look at that off camera and sort that out. But so far he's not turned it off, so that's a bonus. That means that there's no heating up or overheating or anything like that, so that makes a big difference finally, eventually. But there's plenty of stuff to actually put on the car, so we'll obviously show you that in some other videos as well. But I think it's all good. That's the test to see.
overeating.